Hi guys, this is our full Conquest F2 loosely version. Today we introduce how to reset your F2 phone. Okay, let's power. At first, power off your phone, and then press the what's up button and the power button at the same time. Okay. We enter this page. You can find it. Choose the first recovery model, and then we press the down key, the watch down key. Press it once. Okay, wait a moment. And we enter this page. It indicate low combat. Don't worry. And press the what's up key and the power key at the same time. Okay. We enter the engineer model success. And now use the up and down key to choose. First we choose the wiper day and the factory reset. Okay, we can use the power key to enter to choose. We choose yes. It is wiping. Data wipers complete. Okay. Now choose another white catcher partition. Enter. Choose yes. Okay. Also complete. Now let's choose the first choice. Reboot system now. Press the power key to enter. That's all, thank you.